Hello and good day. I'm going to be walking you through how to download and install Anaconda. All right. So all you need to do is open the browser, any browser. I'm currently using Google Chrome, so you can use Mozilla, you can use Internet Explorer, you can use Safari if you're using a MacBook, whatever browser of your choice you want to use. All right. So just come to the search bar and type in Anaconda. Anaconda. Just type in Anaconda. So you see Anaconda, the world's most popular data science platform. That's what you're looking for. So once you have that, click on Anaconda, click on the first link, which is www.anaconda.com. Click on the first link you have there. And the site is very intuitive. So it's going to detect what laptop you're using. So currently I'm using a Windows, hence the reason why it's giving me, the Windows options to download. Do you understand? So if you're using a MacBook, it will also give you Mac, okay? So you can see the latest one for Mac. This is a 64-bit graphical installer, okay? This is for Windows, it's for Mac, and this is if you're using Linux. So I'm just gonna go back. I don't need to do too much. So this will detect your system by default, all right? So I'm using Windows, so I don't need to change anything. So just click on download, all right? And it will start downloading. It will start downloading, all right? It will start downloading. So it takes a bit of a second to go. So it's about 594 MB. It's quite large, no doubt about that. But yeah, it takes a few seconds for you to download. So mine has about 30 seconds left. About 30 seconds left. So I'll just take my time out to do it, to wait for it. All right. All right, 0. And it is fully downloaded, okay? It has fully downloaded. So all I'm going to do is click on the download file. This file I just downloaded. I'm going to click on it. So once I click on it, it's going to take me to, it's going to bring up an installation panel, basically. All right, so you're going to see this. All right, and this is how you start installing Anaconda. So welcome to Anaconda 3, 2022.5. All right, so I'm just going to click next. No, not to waste time. Just click on next. Click on I agree. These are terms and conditions, so I agree. If you want to read through it, feel free to read through it. So I agree. Install for just me. So that's recommended, just me. So you don't need to change anything. Click on next. All right, so now, if you have not installed Anaconda, if this is your first time, just click on next. Click on next. All you have to do is click on next, okay? Click on next. Now, this is because I currently have Anaconda installed on my system. So it's telling me that the folder is not empty, all right? So what I've done is to create an empty folder where I'm going to use. So I'm going to just call it AN, okay? So I'm just going to call it AN and press next. So if you had pressed next, this is the next thing you're going to see. This is the next phase of the installation process, all right? So please just do this. Click on add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variable. Click on add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variable. That's what you want to work with. So click on that, then click on install. Click on that, then click on install, and it's going to start installing for you. I'm going to cancel mine because I'm going to cancel mine just because I have Anaconda installed and I don't want to cause some level of confusion for Anaconda. All right, just leave it to install, and that's just about it, okay? All right, thanks a lot, and okay, so just leave it to install, and that's it. So once you finish it, once it's done installing, all you need to do is just come to your laptop, okay? come and search for Jupyter Notebook, because we are going to be using Jupyter Notebook for the training. So just come here and search for Jupyter. So this is what we want to use for our analysis or for data science. Search for Jupyter, click on Jupyter Notebook, all right? And you see this panel come up. You see this command line, okay, that will come up. So just give it time. It's trying to access it at the moment, and it's going to bring it up in a second, okay? It's going to bring it up in a second. Mind you, I have Anaconda installed already. You would need to go through yours, finish your installation, then search for Jupyter Notebook. All right. So don't mind, mine is still working. Mine looks as if it's still installing, but like I said, I have Jupyter installed already. So once the Jupyter Notebook, this particular command line runs, okay, it's going to open up in a browser, okay? It's going to open up in a browser. So once you open up in the browser, this is how you start to write your Python code, okay? So I'm just going to show you how to create your first notebook file, your first, Jupyter Notebook file. So click on New. You see New to the top right. Click on New. Click on Python 3 IPyKernel. Okay. So once you do that, we have created our first notebook. We have created our first notebook. And all I'm going to do is type in here, hello world, print analytics. Ooh, working perfectly. All right. Thank you very much. And looking forward to more engagement. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right. Thank you.